Hello, welcome to this course, Java Servlet, and here I am Nitin Patil. In this course, I will teach you how to write the servlet class as well as how to implement the servlet interface inside your application. And for that purpose, we're going to start from the basics. And in this tutorial, I will teach you the basic flow of servlet application or in a manner of example, as well as implementation of servlet interface inside your class, and teach you how to deal with the servlet interface when we create any application. So for that purpose, we have NetBeans IDE, and by taking help of this IDE, we can develop our first simple and basic servlet application. See, for that purpose, we need to click on File and New Project, Java Web Application, and then describe your name. Like this one is the first example, as you know. So name I thought like Servlet Basics. See, click on the next. These two are the file destination is location. Next, here we need to select this server. Next, here we have a framework which is provided by NetBeans predefinedly. No need to select right now. Yes, it will take some time. Yeah, here we have we have project or our basic first example, and comprised with likewise file systems like web pages containing our presentation logic, and source package containing our servlet class or servlet files, libraries JDK 1.8, and here for running this application or deploying this application, we use Glassfish Server 4.1. Here in a basic way, I need to write it down some tag like form action is equals to basics. My action is basics, form close, as well as name, input type text, and name your password, type is password, and type name is pass, and as we required submit button to perform this action. Input type submit, and the value is equals to submit. So see, this is our UI or view. See, when any user means this index.html page, when we run this application, we got UI like entering a name and password. When any user entered name and password and click on the submit button, then form action will be executed. And basics is the URL pattern we supposed to or we need to match inside the web.xml. So right now our next stage is what, create a servlet. And in a NetBeans, when we create a servlet simultaneously, NetBeans provide you the creation of web.xml file. See, servlet basics, package name com.ex, next, add web.xml file, and URL pattern is what, basics. So we need to edit here. We can manually go over there and change the URL pattern also in a web.xml. Finish. See, we have a servlet class by extending HTTP servlet. See, we have in web.inf web.xml file. According to the flow of servlet, when any user put request to the application, web.xml is going to be loaded by the container, and after that our cursor or request moving to the welcome page, like index.html, and after putting some value inside the index.html, after clicking on a submit button, the action will execute and this URL pattern will match inside the web.xml. See, after matching the URL pattern, our cursor or container again uh, find out find a servlet name for matching servlet name to the another servlet class, and moving your cursor to the servlet basics. This one is our servlet class, and here we have a code predefined which is given by the NetBeans, and the value when any user entered value, this value comes in a request interface and I need to receive request.get parameter by taking help of this method. For config purpose, whether the uh, value is received or not, I print the value. See, flow, again I'll explain you the flow of this example: index.jsp, then web.xml, and servlet basics. Means when any user put something value to the index.html, the after clicking on submit button, the form will be executed, form action. This URL pattern will match inside the web.xml. After matching the URL pattern and a servlet name, our cursor or our request transfer to the servlet basics class, and after coming or after move to the servlet basics, we need to receive the value which is coming in a request interface. We receive by the request.get parameter and store it into a local variable, string name and string password, and I print it over here for a config purpose, the value whether come or not, or value received by the servlet or not. See, right now we need to run that one for checking the values. See, enter, submit. Here we have the name. See, we are in the servlet. Again I print for config purpose. Again compile or clean and build and run the project. Here we are in servlet, and these two are Nitin Patil are the parameter which is coming in the request interface. I hope you clear the concept regarding file system and basic flow in a servlet. Thanks for watching the video.